Howard with Ashley Howard Teaches, and we are on CC Cycle 1, Week 24, 5th edition. Congratulations! Woo! I am so excited. We have made it to the final week. So pat yourself on the back. What an accomplishment. So this video is great for you if you are a tutor or if you just want ideas on how to work with your child at home for CC. So let's get started. So for geography this week, we are working in the North Atlantic. So for this week, I use smiley face erasers. I want everything to be fun and happy as we end this final week. So for geography, I'll give them 4 different smiley face erasers, and they can put these on the different locations and then take them off as we say them, put them back on, and we'll do them out of order. Then we'll do some pointing and some tracing. So that is easy for our geography this week, especially since we only have 4 locations that we have to find. So let's move on to history. So for history this week, another simple sentence. We are talking about the Portuguese Empire. So for Napoleon, we are going to make an N with our hands like this, our sign language N. And then for threatened, we're gonna go like this. So we'll make our sign language N, and then for threatened like this. Then for empire, we're gonna make an E like this. And then for king, we're gonna put a big crown on our head like this. And then for fled, we're gonna run in place as fast as we can, so we'll go fled. So for Brazil, we're going to make a giant B like this with our arms, like this for Brazil. So for sun, we're going to put our hand down low like this. For Pedro the First, we are going to go like this. And then for declared, we're gonna put our arms like this and lean back, and we're gonna go declared. And then for Brazil, again, we're gonna make our giant B like this. And then independence, we're gonna do fireworks. So we're gonna go independence like this. And then for 1822, we are going to go like this, 2, 2. So that will be our hand motions for history this week. We'll sing through those a couple times. We'll do our hand motions. We'll play it to music. We might then just drop our hand motions, grab some streamers. You can buy those at Walmart for so cheap in the party section. Some little streamers to walk around the room, or use some little Easter eggs. Put rice inside for shakers and walk around the room and do the song 2 or 3 times. Sometimes I like to say up high, down low. So we do it in different ways. So that is our fun for history this week. So real quick, if you haven't yet, would you hit that subscribe button and that like button? It helps this channel so much. Thank you so much for doing that. I could not do this without y'all. And I can't wait to share with you more and more videos about homeschooling, about having fun with your kids while you homeschool and enjoying this journey. So let's now do science. So for science, we are doing some markings on the globe. So this one is so easy. So for latitude, we're gonna go up top, and then we're just gonna kind of make circles. I remind them that these aren't places that we can actually point to on the map, but they are imaginary lines that we use to locate things. So we're gonna go latitude, and then we're gonna go lower, and we're gonna go longitude. And so we'll keep going lower with each of our science facts. I will also then pull out a map, and I will show them on the board, and I'll have them bring pointers. So I like to bring really silly pointers like fancy gloves, or maybe just a pointer finger, or maybe just something fun like a nerd's rope. Have you seen those? So those are really fun. Have them have those, and then they get to keep it afterwards and put it in their bag. And so they might have a candy pointer. Just you can use anything you want that they pull out of the bag, and they're going to point to these different science locations. I want to keep them learning this last week, but I also want them to have fun because I know they are so excited. So that's how we're going to do science this week. Let's move on to English. So for English, we're doing our linking verbs. I remind them that these help to join the sentence together. So for these, they're very easy again. For stay, we're gonna go like this and say stay. Then for smell, we're going to point to our nose, smell. And then for grow, we're gonna go like this, like we're a flower popping out of the ground. So then we might do them to a clap. Stay, smell, grow, quieter, stay, smell, grow. Then we'll do it louder, stay, smell, grow. And then we might dance to it, stay, smell, grow. So there's so many different things that you can do with it to make it fun. It makes it go fast. Wow, this memory break this week is not hard at all. So they will have so much fun going through these different ones. So let's move on to timeline. Now, so for timeline this week, it's presidents. So that's so exciting. So I love to print out the presidents. I have a poster board that I think I got from Learning Resources a long time ago that has all the presidents on there. So I like to go through as we're singing them. I point to the different ones. Then I like to bring out some scarves, and we all have scarves, and we sing them as we go around with the scarves. And then we can go high and low, and we might even make it a rope like this. Some different fun things that you can do with those. So those are really fun. I love to hear these kids say all the presidents. I think that is so amazing. And just one of the highlights of CC. So that is exciting to me. I love to see them grow in their knowledge. And wow, they just learned so much this year. So let's move on to math. So for our math this week, we are doing the identity law. So I like that to do this to the Addams family. So we're gonna snap our fingers and we'll go the identity law, the identity law, the identity law, the identity law, the identity law. The identity law for addition states A plus 0 equals A. The identity law for multiplication states A times 1 equals A. The identity law. The identity law. So you get the point. So we'll do it to this song. It's cute, it's fun. Some of them don't know how to snap, but I say that's okay, just put your fingers like this. And then we'll pat the ground as we say them. We might jump back and forth as we say them. We might do jumping jacks as we say them. We might hop on one foot. There's so many different fun ways. We might do push-ups. We might do wall sits. So you can definitely get this in 7 times. Now, let me warn you, these kids are excited. It's the last week of school. So use that energy to your advantage. So for Latin this week, we are going to start with our fifth declension noun endings, and we're gonna start by showing them our ace card, because when we start with our fifth declensions, we're gonna say ace first. And then what we're going to do is I'm going to go around, they're going to sit at their seats, and I'm going to point to them, and each one is going to say it almost in a popcorn fashion. So I'll start and I'll point, and as we go around, they'll each say one, and then we'll try to go around the class faster, and then we'll go the opposite way and we'll say them. So we'll go through our singular first, and then we'll go through our plural. And then I like to mix it up a little bit, and we'll grab our hot potatoes. So we can either grab a real potato or just a ball. And what we like to do is play the music, and whoever lands on last, we just laugh and have them having the hot potato. So that's kind of a fun way to do that. Now for this week for review, I want it to be super fun. It's the last week. So what I like to do is we have cupcakes already made with icing on them, and so each time they go around, they get a new topping for their cupcake. So I wanted to give you an extra idea just in case you have some food allergies and that won't work in your classroom. So what I love to do is get them outside. It's springtime, it's beautiful, and it makes it fun, and they can get their energy out. So we might play Mother May I as we ask review questions. We might play Red Light, Green Light. We might play Simon Says. There's so many different variations that they can have fun with and answer those review questions, and they just have fun mixing it up and being outside and running and playing. So that is it for our final week, week 24. Don't forget to check out my website at ashleyhowardteaches.com, where you will find one-on-one homeschool consultation. And I would just love to meet you. So please leave any comments below of videos that you would love to see next. I always read every comment and love to hear from you. So please don't forget to do that. And I will talk to you soon. I hope you have a wonderful summer. If there are videos that you are looking for this summer, I am so happy to make some new videos about homeschooling, about planning, about scheduling. Just leave your ideas below and let me know. So I hope you have a wonderful summer. Thank you so much for tuning in, and you will be hearing from me soon with more homeschool videos. Goodbye.